Orientation of the last layer. There will be 4 basic patterns that you need to know after you finish the second layer. And here you go. Our target is to make all pattern dot, hook, bar turn into cross. And we can done that by only doing one algorithm. Now make sure the hook is on the top left. Now do the same algorithm. Now make sure the bar is placed sideways, and do the same algorithm. Now the cross is done. Next we need to learn 2 algorithms, called soon and anti-soon. Basically, we will solve all with only these 2 algorithms. There will be 5 different cases after you finish the yellow cross. And here it is. For H, just do 2 soons. For pi, do a soon from this angle. Now align it with U, and do soon again. For L, do a soon from this angle first. Now do U and do lefty soon. For U, do a soon from this angle first. Now do U2 and do lefty soon. I'm also not going to do it here. For T, do a soon from this angle first. Now do a lefty soon. I'm also not going to do it here. Permutations of the last layer. There will be 21 of different cases, but we will split it up and turn it into 2 steps. Firstly, we need to make sure that there is headlights or not. These are headlights. If have headlights, place it to the left side. And do this algorithm. If no headlights, do the same alg from any angle, and you will end up with headlights. Now do the same thing again. There will be 4 different cases, but we can solve it with only one algorithm. As you can see, the edges need to move diagonally and adjacent, clockwise. For this case, the edges need to move diagonally and adjacent but anti-clockwise. The edges need to move adjacent. The edges need to move diagonally. This algorithm solves the clockwise case. For the anti-clockwise case, do the algorithm from this angle first. Now align it with U2, and it turns clockwise, and so do the same algorithm again. For adjacent case, do the algorithm from any angle first, and it will turn into clockwise or anti-clockwise case. For diagonal case, do the same algorithm first. Now align it with U and do the same algorithm.